Today I'm going to show you how to link Facebook to Instagram. So let's get into it. To link your Facebook with Instagram, you have to open your Facebook account. Once you are logged into your Facebook account, now you have to click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down and go to the bottom. Here you have to click on the settings and privacy option. Once you click on the settings and privacy, here you have to again click on the settings option. Now scroll down and go to the audience and visibility sections and click on the profile details option. Now you have to click on the edit option in front of the contact info. Then at this interface you have to select the add social link option, and once you select this option, here you have to select your Instagram account. Now here you have to link your Instagram account. You have to paste the name of your Instagram account, or you can paste directly the link of the account. After that you have to click on the save button, and once you click on the save button, your profile will be linked to Instagram. Now you have to go back to your main profile, and here you have to click on the about section. As you can see, my Instagram is linked to my Facebook account. When I click on it, it will redirect me to my Instagram account. So that's how you can link your Facebook account to Instagram.